To navigate the Samsung Z Fold 6, if we are inside of an application and we want to go to the home screen, we press the middle button here, which is the home button, and that brings us home. Now, if we are inside of an app, we're in a sub-menu and we want to go back to the previous menu, then we tap the back button. So this is how it looks, that arrow. Most of the time it's here, sometimes it's there. When you tap this button, it will bring you to the previous menu. If you are on the home menu of the app and you tap the back button again, it will bring you home. Now the third button is the multitasking. It is the 3 lines. And if we tap that, we enter multitasking. So quickly, when you go into an app and you press the home button, the app is closed, but it still runs in the background. So when we tap the multitasking button, we can see our open apps. And where the app preview is, we can flick up to close out of the app, or we can tap on close all. Now the final thing is, in some applications, you're in the app, however, the buttons disappear. So to reveal the buttons, you just swipe up from the bottom, it will show the buttons, and then you can tap on them.